Hello everyone. Need help affording groceries? In this quick video, I'll show you how to apply for SNAP benefits, also known as food stamps in South Carolina. So let's get started. First, go to South Carolina Department of Social Services SNAP page. I'm talking about this page here, and this is the link you should go to. And this page has everything you need to know about SNAP, including eligibility, the application process, and contact information. Now, SNAP is available to individuals, families, seniors, the homeless, and even people who are working but need help stretching their income. To apply online, scroll down and click Apply for Benefits here online. This will take you to the DNS benefit portal. Let me show you how I can apply. So the portal looks like this one. So don't worry, it might look a bit complicated first, but it's fairly simple. Now, if this is the first time, you need to create an account. Creating an account lets you save your application, renew benefits, and upload documents online. If you already have an account, just log in using your email and password. And if you're not sure if you qualify, just click this link here, uh, this am I eligible button, and this will take you to another page where you can see if you're eligible or not just by filling out some questions. Keep in mind, this is just a guide. Your local DSS office makes the final decision. So once you're logged in, follow the prompts and fill out a Snap application. Make sure to have your personal documents ready, like proof of income and other documents like social security number, license, utility bills, etc. After submitting, you'll be contacted for an interview. If approved, benefits usually start with 30 days or just 7 days of urgent cases. And you can also apply in person at your local DSS office or submit your application by mail or fax. Printable forms are available in both English and Spanish. Uh, so, as I was saying, SNAP helps thousands of South Carolinas put food on the table. If you or someone you know could use the help, don't wait. Thanks for watching and be sure to check the links I have seen in the video.